Keir Starmer launches immigration crackdown, vows to tighten all aspects of the system. Prime Minister Sir Keir Starmer has announced a major clampdown on immigration, pledging to tighten every area of the system to restore control of the UK's borders. Speaking from Downing Street, Starmer described the initiative as a move to close a squalid chapter in British politics and the economy. He warned that without stronger controls, the UK risks becoming an island of strangers rather than a united nation. The Labour government's new immigration plan aims to reduce net migration, introducing stricter visa rules for foreign workers and pushing employers to train UK workers before seeking talent abroad. Migrants will now need to reside in the UK for up to 10 years before applying for citizenship, with tougher English language requirements also being introduced. Migration is part of Britain's story, Starmer said, recognising the contributions of migrants but emphasising the need for integration, language acquisition and respect for British systems and values. He stressed that the government will enforce these policies rigorously, with migration numbers expected to decline as a result. A key change includes stopping overseas recruitment for care worker visas, a decision that Home Secretary Yvette Cooper says will help reduce the number of lower-skilled migrants by around 50,000 over the next year. However, the policy has drawn criticism, with Care England's CEO Martin Green calling it cruel. The government also plans to toughen rules on foreign offenders' right to family life to prevent deportation avoidance, though the UK will remain a member of the European Court of Human Rights. Under the proposed white paper reforms, migrants must live in the UK for 10 years to qualify for citizenship, with fast-tracking possible for high-contributing professionals like doctors and nurses. English language standards will be raised across all visa categories. Adult dependents will have to meet basic language criteria. Skilled worker visas will require university degrees, and recruitment in shortage areas will face stricter guidelines. These reforms follow a reported net migration of 728,000 as of mid-2024. Ms. Cooper confirmed that care worker visas for overseas hires will be phased out, though those already in the UK on such visas can still extend their stay. The crackdown comes shortly after Reform UK's strong performance in local elections, which many attributed to voter frustration over immigration levels. In response, the Conservative Party accused Starmer of trying to claim credit for immigration reductions initiated by their April 2024 reforms. Shadow Home Secretary Chris Philp criticised Starmer's record, calling his stance on immigration a joke and pointing to his past opposition to deporting dangerous foreign offenders and failure to curb illegal channel crossings.